guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared my Jamaican corned beef. Now, let us cook. So guys, first things first, I'm going to be cutting my vegetables, which include red bell pepper, and I'm just cutting these in julienne strips. I'm also going to be using onions and tomatoes. If you guys have pepper, you guys can go ahead and add pepper. Yeah. You guys are gonna see how quick I prepared this. Like, this is under 10 minutes, guys. Like, I promise you, this is under 10 minutes, and it takes about 20 minutes to steam rice. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. Now in a skillet on medium to high heat, I went ahead and I add my oil. I allow that to heat. Then I'm going to be adding my vegetables, guys. Now I'm going to be sauteing my vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are translucent. Now I'm going to be adding my corn kernel. You guys can add your corn before or after you add your corned beef. I like adding mine before. Now I'm adding my greased corned beef, and I haven't had corned beef in what seems like forever, like years. I saw it in the grocery store and I'm like, yeah, I have to prepare this. I loved corned beef, even though it used to like burn my chest when I was younger, but girl, like, I love corned beef. But guys, I went ahead and I add some ketchup. You guys can also omit that if you don't like ketchup in yours, because you already added tomatoes, but I love ketchup. I also went ahead and I add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I also went ahead and I steamed some plain rice, and this is it, guys. Oof, love me some rice with corned beef, honey. And here's the final product, guys. Very simple, super easy. I went ahead and I paired that with avocado and plantains. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.